Hi folks, Marty here. I'm glad you could join us for this week's tutorial of the parting glass. Of all the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I done, alas, it was to none but me. And of all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Of all the comrades that e'er I had, they're sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I gently rise and I softly call, good night and joy be with you all. A man may drink and not be drunk. A man may fight and not be slain. A man may court a pretty girl and perhaps be welcome back again. But since it has so ordered been, by a time to rise and a time to fall, come fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Come fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. So folks, that was part one. We just played through there, and at this part we're going to have a look at the chords involved, and we're going to look at the finger picking style and the strum pattern in it. Okay, so first of all we have our D minor and then a B flat. So from there I'm just keeping my first finger on, and then I'm just taking these two fingers off, and then the second finger goes into the third string in the second fret, and the third finger goes up to the top string in the third fret. And I'm playing that first string open. So technically speaking, it's a B flat major 7, but for the purpose of this song, we'll just call it B flat. Okay. The next chord is F. So again, we keep our first finger on, and then we move the second finger up to the top string for the F. And then we're into C next. So use your third finger. Okay, I'll just go over those chords again. So you got your D minor, your B flat, your F, and then your C. Okay, so there's a wee bit of a variation on this one. It's the last line of each verse. It'll be D minor, B flat, C instead of the F, and then back to the D minor. Okay, so the finger picking style of this, I'm basically hitting the top string with my thumb first. Okay, so thumb hits the top string, first finger hits the third string, and then with my third finger on the second one, both plucking or picking the first and second string. So like this. Okay, one more time. So thumb hits the bass, first finger hits the third string, and my second and third finger pluck the first and second strings. And then I come back up and I hit that third string with my first finger again. So it's like this. Okay, one more time. Okay, so that's me playing over the key, or the chord D minor. So the next chord we're going to go into is B flat. Okay, and you're going to just do that same picking pattern again. One more time. And then into your F chord. And then into your C. Okay, so if I put that all together, that top line, you've got your D minor, B flat, F, C. Okay, and then what you can do in a song like this, you can start off finger picking, but if you want to kind of build up the dynamics of the song, you can start giving it a bit of a strum. Bass, down, down, change chord, bass, down, down, change chord, bass, down, down, change chord. It's a good way to build up a song, give it a wee bit of energy to it, okay? So give that a wee go, just practice through those various chords and try the finger picking, and then try the little strum pattern as well. Okay, so in this section, we're going to play this through the song nice and slow for you, so as you can get your head around how we do that before you go back and play part one. So here we go. Of all the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. that e'er I had. They are sorry for my going away, and all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I gently rise and I softly call, good night and joy be with you all. A man may drink and not be drunk. A man may fight and not be slain. A man may court a pretty girl and perhaps be welcome back again. But since it has so ordered been, by a time to rise and a time to fall, come fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Come fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. So folks, that was it. Play it through a little bit slower. So have a go at that and go back to part one and play it just that little bit faster, and keep practicing through those chords and that finger picking pattern. And until next week, remember, keep her lit and keep on strumming.